beautiful people. I'm back and we are on episode 4 of Easy Home Bakes with Marilia. If you don't know me, I'm Marilia from Marilia Cakes and Classes. So today I promised you that I'm going to show you how to do an easy carrot cake without the use of spices and nuts. I normally do that nice carrot cake, you know which one. But sometimes you just have carrots and not actually everyone loves spices. So I'm going to show you how to do each carrot cake. So I'm going to use this pan. Remember, I'm showing you easy home bakes, cakes that you can easily make for your family at home. So what are you going to need? You're going to need 3 carrots, 4 eggs, and now you're going to blend everything with a cup of sugar. So I'm going to peel the carrots. So I'm going to peel these 3 carrots. I've washed them. The ingredients I'm using: PicknPay, my sponsor PicknPay Phalaborwa. Shout out to PicknPay Phalaborwa. So let me put one, and also I want you guys to see the amounts. I'm gonna put 1.5 cup of sugar. I think I'm blocking you when I do like this. Okay. I'm going to put I'm chopping the carrots. And then I'll put the carrots, the 3, right? This carrot got around 200 grams. Half cup of milk. 4 eggs. I don't like to break the eggs directly. Let's add 4 eggs. 1. Half cup of oil. Hope you can see, ne? Easy busy cake. No difficult cake. This cake you can do for your family every other day. Okay, I like to do this. Now for me, I feel like there's always oil remaining here and I don't want to miss anything. So we're going to blend it for like some minutes. We are using PicknPay flour again. So we're going to do 2.5 cups. Let me just go like this. Baking powder is 1, 2, and 3. Pinch of salt. I'll put almost half teaspoon of salt. Let me mix first. Let me use this one. First mix. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. All the cakes I do, vanilla essence is a must. Regardless of the cake I'm doing, vanilla for me is a must. So I didn't take long, as you can see. I have 2 pans. So I have this big pan. I was baking the other day. The diameter here is 26. This one is 21. So I'm going to put on the 21. I already put butter there. I'm just putting a bit of flour so that, see, I put of flour and I go around like this. First we start by putting butter. Cake. This is cake. Now it's gonna go to the oven for 45 minutes. You can see the cake, it's here. It's very carroty. The aroma of carroty, it's the carrots is here. It's carrot cake with no spices, no nuts, for those who don't love it. But even if you love it, this is just a simple version. I love carrot cake, but this one, it's a must. It's the best cake. You will eat maybe 10 slices in the row. So to go with the cake, I took chocolate. I melted, in this case, I melted 150 grams of chocolate with 75 grams of cream. Just put on the microwave, and then I'm going to put here on top. I hope you can see. Just putting here on top, and then I'm just melt for 30 seconds, and then go around 30 seconds. Ooh. Oh, chocolate, don't let me have some going inside better than go. I don't want a lot outside, I want more inside. Oh guys, this cake, I see there's a lot here. It's fine, I don't really want a lot there. Okay, I have some spilled juice this side. Let me clean. I still have more chocolate here. Let me try to put all of it, because what I'm gonna do with it, nothing. Okay, this is our cake. I'm gonna sprinkle some chocolate. Who is the owner of this cake? You're going to tell us that you loved your cake, believe me. Okay, so we are done with our simple carrot cake with a chocolate sauce. I'm gonna show you properly. This is it. This is the cake. This is the cake, guys. So I'll see you on episode 5. Let's see what we are doing on episode 5. So this is our cake. Just waiting for the luck winner of the cake. Ooh, this is our cake. Episode 4 cake. Simple carrot cake with chocolate sauce. We know what you must do to get the cake. Yeah, I'm going to cover the cake and just wait for you guys to come and collect.